Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the notifications and status bar section, then go to the status bar, and here you have battery percentage. You can show it inside the battery icon like this, outside the battery icon like this, or just don't show it at all. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.